Welcome back to this SAAB revival. In the last episode, we went through the 5 major problems with my father's neglected SAAB 9.5. And today, we're going to try to get the engine running again. The missing parts have been dug out and are ready to be put back on the engine. I've also gotten some reinforcement this time. My friend Kråkan is here to help me fix the engine. We begin by mounting the missing parts back onto the engine.
Den vakuumslangen gör ju mycket.
Since we didn't know exactly how to connect the vacuum controller for the turbo, we decided to use my father's 9.5 as a reference when hooking up the vacuum lines.
Här går raka vägen. Men du, T-kopplingen är här. Det är bara att den är vriden. Den här går ju bra, så jag tycker vi går efter den här, va? T-kortsida, insug kortsida, turbo långsida. Just det, den här är helt lös. Det...
Den till Throttle.
Mm.
Den var på fel.
Så var
Den ska in.
insug. Nice. Insug ut. T-koppling in. Turbo långsida. Jag tänkte mest bara rengöra packningsytan.
While cleaning the throttle body, we noticed that the vacuum port for the crankcase ventilation system was clogged, indicating that this car might be subject to the infamous oil sludge issue. And that might be the explanation for the oil light flashing I mentioned in the last episode. After mounting the missing pieces, we checked the health of the engine.
Ja du, det här är...
Not great.
We take out the bad spark plugs and look in the cylinders just to see how the pistons look.
Det ser
Nej,
helt
det
okej
ser
ut.
bara sotigt ut.
It looks good, but we decided to put in some WD-40 just in case. Now we prepare the engine to be turned over for the first time. We top off the coolant with tap water, check the oil,
Det är massa olja.
and hook up a battery. And then we crank it without spark plugs, just to make sure it sounds alright.
Det lät väl inte jätteohälsosamt, va?
Nej, den gick runt.
Then we do a compression test before trying to start it properly.
Redo?
Just a disclaimer, this compression test is not going to show up properly because this engine is not warm and it has WD-40 in the cylinders. We just wanted to make sure nothing stood out of the ordinary.
14. Det började pysa runt packningen i botten. Det var så mycket kom. Sådär. Det är inte dålig komp i alla fall.
The engine sounds good. It got pretty good oil pressure and good compression. So now we're just putting in some better spark plugs to hopefully get it running again. The fuel pump is sounding. After we get the engine running, we move on to the next challenge, getting the car to move. We start by putting some air in the tires. and then we continue by trying to break free the rusty rotors. Since we weren't able to loosen them by hand, we thought we perhaps could loosen them by driving on the asphalt. The higher friction might be a stronger force than us. To get the car out of its hole, we used Kråkan's car to help pull it out onto the asphalt. And here it is. The SAAB is finally out of its hole after years of neglect. But there's still a lot of work to do. We still need to get that stock rotor freed up. In the next episode, we'll try to get all 4 wheels spinning and prepare the car for the journey to the garage where the real work begins. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on my restoration projects. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the video, and I will see you next time.
The river pouring home, you gave your gloves from the bureau. White flag in the alley. Hour taking hold, you gave your clothes in the cold cold. White flag